Cattle vocabulary, picture and meaning. Buffalo, a large animal of the cattle family with horns that curve upwards. Buffalo are usually found in southern and eastern Africa. Water buffalo, a large black domesticated Asian animal like a cow with heavy swept back horns, used for pulling vehicles and farm equipment in tropical countries. Yak, a species of long-haired domesticated cattle with long horns found throughout the Himalayan region. Bison, a large wild animal that is a member of the cattle family, having a larger head and shoulders covered in hair, found in North America and Europe. The North American bison is also called a buffalo. Takin, a massive bovid mammal found in mountainous regions of South Asia, having a shaggy coat, short legs and horns that point backward and upward. Bull, the adult uncastrated male of the cattle family. Some other male animals, including elephants and whales, are called bulls. Cow, the adult female of a cattle family that is kept on a farm to produce milk or meat. Some adult females of a large mammal, such as an elephant, a whale, or a seal. Calf, a young cattle cow, or the young of various other large mammals, such as elephants and whales. Cows. Cow. People sometimes refer to male and female animals of this species as cows. Zebu, an animal of the cattle family with long horns and a hump on its back, kept on farms, especially in hot countries. Bull, the adult uncastrated male of cows. Steer, a male of the cattle family that has had its sex organs removed, is usually kept for its meat. Ox, a bull that has had its reproductive organs removed, trained and used for pulling heavy things on farm. Bullock, A young bull, especially one that has had its testicles removed. Bullock cart. A cart pulled by one or two bullocks. Cow. A large female animal kept to produce babies and milk. Calf. A young cow's. Heifer. A young cow that has not yet given birth to a calf. Udder. The organ of a cow, sheep, goat or other animal that produces milk and hangs like a bag between the rear legs. Teat. A pointed part on the body of a female animal which her babies suck in order to get milk. Suck. To take liquid into your mouth by using the muscles of your lips and tongue, without using teeth. Milk. Draw milk from a cow or other animal, either by hand or a machine. Milkmaid. A girl or woman employed to work in a dairy, milking the cow and making butter and cheese. Milkman. Someone who delivers and sells milk to people's homes. Milk churn. A container used to transport milk from farms. Cowherd. A person employed to take care of cattle. Gather. A rope or chain used to tie an animal to a post or other fixed place so that it can move freely within a small area. Livestock. Animals such as cattle, birds and sheep, etc., which are kept on a farm are referred to as livestock. Cowshed. A farm building in which cattle are kept when not at pasture, or in which they are milked. Cowpat. A single drop, round, flat of solid waste from a cow. Dung. Solid waste from animals, especially cattle and horses. Cowhide. The natural unbleached skin and hair of a cow.
Leather.
The skin of an animal is made smooth and flexible by tanning, removing the hair in order to preserve it, and used to make shoes, bags, clothes, etc.
Rancher.
Someone who owns or manages a large farm, especially one used for raising cattle. Cattle farm worker. A person perform routine tasks on cattle farms, such as feeding, mustering, and moving cattle, and assisting with animal husbandry.
Cultivator.
A person who cultivates equals grows crops on the land.
Farmer.
Someone who owns or takes care of a farm. Cow anatomy.
Cattle dung fuel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.